Hello everyone, today's lesson is about Bitmoji and we're gonna start. Go to the asset library, let's type Bitmoji and then view all. Let me find it, yes, here it is. Here is the Bitmoji head. It's important that you have the latest version for anything you download, okay? If you're not sure what the latest version is, just delete it, remove, okay? And then download it and it will automatically grab the newest version. Okay, after that, as usual, let's go to Windows, Editors, Bitmoji Suite, click here. Then we're gonna add the Bitmoji here inside of the Bitmoji. So where is the head? Yeah, here's the head. Now fill in these fields. This is the Bitmoji and this is the camera. Okay. We also have a few options like disable the body. Now we deleted the body and we can attach it to the head. This way the head follows the user head, and if we change the preview video here, we will see that, let me choose one, open mouth. You'll see now that the face tracks the user facial movement. If we want to add more things to the lens, we can insert here, screen transform, and then make sure that the render order of the Bitmoji is above the screen transform. Okay, yeah, this is one option. We can add screen image behind. I don't think I have like a perfect image for this, but I'm gonna try and I'll be back. The head in the locker. Let me try. Maybe. Anyway, we still can add more to this image, to this lens. Let's go to the Bitmoji suite and then go to the glasses, and we can pick something fun. There's a lot of options here. Okay, this one, wait. I like this one. Yeah. If you want to add animate, you can also add animate. You go to the emotion and pick like a certain emotion. Let's see. I don't know, I'll just choose this one randomly and see. Okay, we'll have to wait. Okay, now it has an animation. You know, it's always nice to start with a specific idea or theme and then build on it. I obviously didn't in this one, but I hope it was clear. I hope you learned something on Bitmoji's head, and see you in the next video.